Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a skid steer rental and we're going to see how much of this dirt off the back of the pond here we can get moved and get put back into that fill that we're doing. So let's get to it. Well, we've got up to here. We have filled in this entire spot. I think when I started, the dirt was to like here-ish. So we filled in this entire thing, all with the clay. We've got a bit more clay to get. We had to extend the rental. Well, we decided to extend the rental so we didn't have to spend like 4 days with the tractor. We can just get it all done today. So we're gonna get the rest of this clay out. We cover up that part up there with the topsoil. So let's get to it. Well, we've got it mostly all spread out. I need to come back and level it, but we ran out of diesel. The light came on. But we've just got that little pile there left, and then I gotta smooth this all out, spread it all out, get the slope to how I want it, get all the grading from the soil around, get it all for the water flow and everything. Got to get this all graded nice and smoothed out, and then we will be done. And then I'm going to go back into where we're filling in, and I'm gonna slope it down because we didn't have enough to. So it'll be like a nice slope there, and it'll all be nice and cleaned up. And we might get rid of some more of this dirt. We'll just have to see how much we can get done. So let's get to it. We got all of this all graded out. And if we follow down our path, we can see I've just got the four-wheeler here with the harrow on it, because I'm going to be harrowing out this section and down here just to level it out some. We've cleaned this all up, got the pile of dirt moved out, spread out over all of the extra dirt, and then filled in this entire old creek bed. It was not being used anymore. We do have one more pile of dirt there, but that is for our bike track, Sur-Ron track, whatever we want to ride on it. But then we came over, filled in all this up to the grade, and then we ran out of dirt right about here. So what I did was I just sloped it down, so it's not just a steep drop off down here, and then the creek is just right up there. But we got this all sloped down so the water can flow down still. The last thing we have to do is pull this fence, and we are going to move it slightly this way because it is, well, it's kind of in the pond. And we're just going to straighten it out some so you can see it's in the pond. But we have this corner post right there, and we're just going to make a straight line over to the gate over there. Because it was around this tree, I don't know why. So we pulled it off of that, and we're going to put it back to here and make our straight line over to that gate right there. Right in there. So that's what we're going to be doing next. Not sure when I'm going to get to that, but this project is basically done because I have used all of the clay we had up here piled from our other pond that we dug out. Built up this one, dug this entire thing mostly with the John Deere 3032. Moved most of this dirt back here with the 3032 also, but we rented that skid steer, and we got basically all the dirt I moved, about that much moved again in just one day. Well, 2 days, I guess. And we got it all graded out up there and down here. So that's going to be it for this video. Besides, we're going to add a little bit of harrowing. But that is going to conclude the pond bank. Then we just got to get that fence. And that should be like one video. Not sure when I'll get to that. And then this project is going to be done. Then I'll have to find something else to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. I'm going to get to harrowing this. I'll throw in a couple clips for you guys. And I'll see you guys all next time. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and following along on this series.